As you all know, we love stir-fries. We enjoy the fresh vegetables, the variety of Chinese and Asian sauces, and I love the simplicity and quickness of a stir-fry. I'm Tess, and come join me as I make a delicious Chinese Hoison cauliflower stir-fry. I have a couple requests for cauliflower recipes, so tonight I'm making a cauliflower stir-fry. There is so much you can do with cauliflower. It will absorb any flavor that you add. So let's get started. In a pan or wok on medium-high heat, I'm adding in some oil and minced garlic, giving that a toss for about 15 to 20 seconds, and then I'm adding in my cauliflower florets. I cut the cauliflower into bite-sized pieces, and you don't want them too big or too small. Stirring and cooking for a minute. Now I'm adding in a little water and covering. Cooking for about 3 minutes and then uncovering. This is going to help steam the cauliflower so it becomes tender. Now I'm adding in some celery, water chestnuts, and onions. The water chestnuts really add a nice Asian flair and crunch. Cooking and tossing for about 2 to 3 minutes. Be careful not to break up the cauliflower. Next goes in the multicolored bell peppers and some snow peas. I love snow peas in a stir-fry. You can use any variety of vegetables that you like. Cauliflower combines well with other vegetables. Cooking and tossing for 2 more minutes. I still want my veggies to be crunchy. For the sauce, I'm using 2 ingredients. A little light soy sauce and 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Chinese hoisin sauce is comparable to a barbecue sauce. It is sweet and salty and adds a nice flavorful glaze sauce to any stir-fry and is great as a dipping sauce. And that's it, giving that a stir and cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes until all the veggies are coated. As you can see, there are a lot of hearty veggies in this stir-fry, so you're not going to miss the meat. I love the crunch and freshness of all the vegetables. The sauce is a nice accent and not overpowering. This simple Chinese Hoison cauliflower stir-fry is a delicious vegetarian meal. Serving tonight topped with some fresh green onions. You could serve this with some rice or rice noodles. I hope you give this easy and delicious Chinese stir-fry a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!